All right, my friends, welcome to the chaos. We are finally moved in and ready to start making our new space our home. It is really chaotic from what you can see. Nobody likes moving. It's always a pain, and as efficient as I tried to make it, it was still a lot. So let's start unpacking and cleaning the apartment. And really quick before we get into it, I just want to thank the sponsor of today's video, Babbel. Okay, so I have a bit of a confession to make. I have been slacking. I started taking French lessons using Babbel, and I have completely fallen off the wagon just because of how busy we've gotten, so I feel like my skills have definitely slipped. But it's all good because with Babbel, it is super easy to get started in learning a new language. So now that we're pretty much settled back here with our move, I'm ready to start practicing again. The lessons are designed by actual language teachers, so you can learn real-world conversation skills, and you can customize how often and how long you want your lessons to be, so it's really easy to integrate into your daily routine. And if it doesn't work out for you for whatever reason, Babbel has a 20-day money-back guarantee, so why not give it a try? They even offer live lessons if that's more your speed, and you can even get 2 free lessons when you sign up. So if you're interested in getting started with Babbel and learning a new language in as little as 3 weeks, you can get up to 60% off a Babbel subscription using the link in the description down below, or you can scan this handy QR code right here. And let me know what language you want to learn in the comments. Merci beaucoup, Babbel. So we decided to start in the bedroom, and can I just say I love these windows. Anyway, the mattress needed a good cleaning, and we decided we didn't like the way we asked the movers to position our bed, so we ended up flipping it around, and that's why we had to lug the mattress in ourselves. I took the mattress cover off to give it a good wash and got to Dysoning the shit out of this thing. Honestly, there's nothing more satisfying than a freshly vacuumed mattress. It's like pouring rain out, so this frizz is just on another level. Hi, Jeff. How are we doing?
Doing good.
So we are just gonna take this room by room, and we started with the bedroom. We did the super sonic vacuuming on the mattress. We vacuumed the floors. Now we're gonna mop them, and then also going to Windex this mirror because we let it get in a state. Since everyone's been walking around the apartment today with shoes on and it's been raining all day, I decided to vacuum and then mop the floors with a Swiffer. I do have a steamer mop on my wish list, but I did my best for now, gave it a good once over, and by this point we were starting to get hungry, so it was time for floor meal number 1. Okay, first official meal at the new place. I ordered, what's this place called? Mary's Kitchen?
Mary B. Kitchen.
Mary B. Kitchen, so we're going healthy. I got turmeric rice, chicken breast, and a kale Caesar salad. And Jeff?
Steak, market salad, Mary's mac and cheese.
So good. Okay, back to cleaning. I low-key love this, not gonna lie, but it is a lot of work. We weren't quite done in the bedroom, so I moved on to dusting and giving this mirror a good once-over. I tried to do that whole side-to-side S-shape technique to prevent streaking, but I still definitely got some. This is sorcery. I can't figure it out. So if you have any tips or tricks to avoid streaks on your mirrors, leave me a comment below on how to do that because you are a genius to me. But it looks pretty good for now. Then I put the mattress cover back on and put on the new bedding, which I pre-washed before our move because we love a prepared queen. I ended up buying some new linens from this Canadian company called Silk and Snow. They have a lot of really cute aesthetic bedding and towels, not sponsored. I bought it myself, but I'll keep you guys posted on how we like it. The couch was in desperate need of vacuuming, so I gave it a good once-over using the high setting with the Dyson. This is the V11 version, in case you were wondering. I bought it as a birthday gift to myself a few years ago, and it's honestly some of the best money I have ever spent. It makes vacuuming so much easier, but as you can see, it's pretty powerful too. I made sure to get all the nooks and crannies in the couch as best I could because it was pretty crummy in there, not gonna lie. Fluffed the cushions, and then we were good to go. I'm thinking for this room we'll end up getting some new couch cushions, a rug, some more plants because I just love green in here, and my plants can actually thrive now. And I'm thinking some nesting tables instead of a coffee table, and I think this room will be just perfect. And now it's time for the biggest job, the kitchen. I decided to start with a pretty low effort task here, and that was cleaning the dishwasher. No, I am not going to like pull out the drain and do all that stuff that you see on Clean Talk today. I really admire that. But what I am going to do is do a cycle with this dishwasher cleaner. You just peel off the sticker of this bottle and run a cycle on empty, and then your washer will be clean and ready to go. And while that was running, I started to wipe down the sink and countertops and decided to try to install this little sponge caddy that I bought off Amazon. And it's just a nice little hack to keep our less than aesthetic sponges off the countertops. I also assembled this sink organizer tray, which I also got off Amazon after watching one of Daniel Titchener's videos. So I filled up our little amber bottle soap dispensers with dish soap and hand soap, and now this little nook in our kitchen is cute, cozy, and ready to go. Then I wiped down the interiors of all the drawers and started to install these adjustable bamboo drawer organizers, since we wanted to keep our kitchen supplies like tongs, spatula, aluminum foil, things like that, off the counter and out of sight. These drawer organizers turned out to be amazingly handy, super easy to use, and really helped create some functional separation in our kitchen almost immediately. Okay, here's a food break we ordered north of Brooklyn. If you know, you know. One bite, everybody knows the rules.
Yeah. One bite, 8.5 from
8.5, yep. So we got garlic knots, because I've never had them before.
You never had a garlic knot?
Not from north of Brooklyn.
Oh.
Truffle pizza. And then, oh my gosh, this is the situation, just by the way. I ordered 2 pizzas because we're going to be unpacking all weekend. I'm not going to have time to get groceries until some. Oh no, the pizza moved around. Oh well, it looks good still though. So we're gonna be enjoying that. We need the carbs. We've just been going at it all day, and there's still so much more to do. Good morning. It's the next morning. We still have all of this to tackle, but look how bright it is. I need sunglasses. I kind of love it. And more sunscreen in this apartment. I just woke up. Okay, let's do lunch. So today's the big day. We're working on the kitchen. I also decided to do a load of laundry here because we love to multitask. The kitchen was going to be a huge job because we really had to figure out how to maximize all the vertical space we have here and make the organization really intuitive and efficient for our everyday. So with Jeff's help, we took all of the cabinet doors off and adjusted the heights of the shelves so I, because I'm the short one, could actually reach most of them without a stool. We then decided to play around with the configurations and some organization just to figure out what would make the most sense in our day-to-day lives. After we finally landed on something we liked, I wiped down all the shelves in the cabinets to get all the dust, crumbs, and dirt out, and we started putting things away. I was also able to figure out our undersink storage with these handy organizational shelves, and this is what we ended up with. Very satisfying, very functional. We'll still have to live with this for a few weeks to work out the kinks and see what we like and don't like, but this feels very livable for now. And now all we really need is food, so off to Costco. All right, guys, so welcome to day 3 of moving in with us. We just did a massive Costco trip, and I'm gonna put it all away. And then it'll finally feel like we start to live here. We need to do one IKEA trip, and then we're pretty much good to go for the next little while. So yeah, I love a good grocery haul. I'll show you what we got. It was the most expensive Costco haul I have ever done in my life. Very sticker shocked, but at least now we're good for the next little while. So we got some command strips. These are amazing, renter friendly, good for hanging up art and all that kind of stuff. Sponges. I don't think we're ever gonna need sponges ever again in our lives, but these will be good for cleaning and all this stuff. So we needed another storage solution for our hair tools under the sink, which I'll show you in another video, but this looked really handy. It was 12 bucks. Raspberries, blueberries, free run eggs. We're kind of egg snobs. Tupperware, because we needed a new set. Coconut water, avocado, yogurt. Jeff wanted to try this cheese. ground beef, cottage cheese, my favorite. I love these Baby Bells. These are a great high protein snack if you want that. Egg whites, tuna poke. Jeff wanted to try these dates for a sweet tooth kick. Protein bars. I really like the Asian cashew salad from Costco. Jeff wanted to try these burgers, bananas, beef jerky for high protein snack, wild blueberries, mango for smoothies, turkey for snacking, trout, chicken breast under here, this ground bison, and then rotisserie chicken for tonight, sorry, dirty dishes, and frozen broccoli. Okay, here's what we got so far. And here's the freezer. So just trying to figure out where we're putting away our food, because that's kind of the weirdest thing about our organization. But Jeff did this nice little supplement area for us. So I have my protein powder, which I can reach, and our protein bars that I like to grab before the gym or if I'm in a pinch. So I like that, it just seems very intuitive. And now I just don't know where to put my beef jerky. So after about 72 hours of some intense work, gentle bickering, and some much needed floor snacks, our place is clean and ready for us to start living in it. I cannot tell you how excited I am to start making this space our home, and be sure to follow along and subscribe because I'm going to take you guys along with us for the whole journey. I hope this video gave you some motivation to clean or organize your own home, and if it did, leave me a box emoji in the comments. We are organizing after all. If you like this video, it would mean the world to me if you give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't. Oh, and if you like podcasts about sustainability and slow fashion, I've got one right here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next Sunday. Love ya. Bye.